In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently add and pay bills using QuickBooks Online. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be well equipped to manage your business's billing processes with ease, ensuring everything is organized and easily trackable. Let's dive right in and start with the first step. To begin, you need to log into your QuickBooks Online account. Once you're in, direct your attention to the top left corner of your dashboard and look for the plus new button. Clicking on this will open a drop-down menu. In this menu, you'll see a section labeled Vendors. Under this section, select Bill. This will take you to a new window where you can input all the necessary details about the bill. Here you'll need to choose the vendor to whom you're attaching the bill. If the vendor is already in your system, you can simply pick from the drop-down menu. However, if this is a new vendor, you'll need to add them to your records. Once that's out of the way, move on to entering the bill's details. This includes filling in the bill date, the due date, and, if applicable, the bill number. Each of these fields ensures that your records remain precise and complete. You'll then want to input the category or item details associated with the bill. This part includes specifying amounts and adding descriptions, providing clarity on what this bill pertains to in your financial records. If there are any supporting documents such as a copy of the bill, you can attach them directly here for easy reference and verification later. Once you're satisfied with all the information entered, look towards the bottom of the page. Here you have options to either save and close if you're finished, or save and new if you have more bills to add. Select the option that best suits your current task completion. Now, let's move on to paying a bill. Again, you'll want to click on the plus new button. In the drop-down under Vendors, select Pay Bills or Bill Payment. This option allows you to settle any outstanding payments with your vendors. Begin by selecting the vendor whose bill you wish to pay. From the list, choose the specific bill or bills you're ready to pay. Next, enter the payment date. You should also specify which account you'll be using for this payment, whether it's a bank account or a credit card. Be sure to include the payment amount accurately. If there's a reference number for the transaction, add it now as it helps in keeping precise records. To finalize this process, click Save and Close, and your payment will be recorded. Congratulations, you've now successfully added and paid bills using QuickBooks Online. Your financial management tasks are now streamlined within the system. If at any point you need help with setting up recurring bills or managing your bill payment schedule, feel free to reach out. Thank you for watching, and happy accounting.